Did you know? There was once a place so horrifying, it made the world question what it means to be human. A secret Japanese military facility, hidden deep in the frozen wilderness of Manchuria. They called it Unit 731. But those who entered rarely came out alive. It began in the 1930s. Officially, it was an epidemic prevention and water purification department. It was a death lab where soldiers and doctors experimented on living humans, not animals, men, women, and even children, prisoners of war, civilians, anyone deemed an enemy. They called them Maruta, like mere logs. Dehumanization opened the door to unimaginable horrors. The goal was to develop biological weapons, and the human cost was considered irrelevant. Inside these walls, victims were infected with deadly diseases for cruel experiments. They froze limbs solid, thawed them, and repeated it until flesh and bone fell away. Others were subjected to vivisections, dissected while still conscious, without any anesthesia. Every agonizing heartbeat, every desperate scream was meticulously recorded as scientific data. The victims never knew they'd be remembered, as a reminder of humanity's darkest side. The men behind these tests justified their actions, thinking it was for science and victory. Japan surrendered in 1945, but Unit 731 vanished. The shocking truth would emerge years later. The US secretly gave Unit 731 scientists immunity from war crimes during the Cold War. In exchange, they handed over their horrifying research data on biological warfare. There were no trials, no accountability. The masterminds behind these atrocities walked free. Some went on to become respected professors, doctors, and even government officials in post-war Japan. Victims' stories were silenced and forgotten. But the echoes of their suffering still haunt the snow-covered ruins of the facility in Harbin. So the next time you hear the word science, remember this place. A place where progress came with pain, and knowledge was gained through suffering. Because in the cold heart of Manchuria, it wasn't just bodies that were dissected, it was humanity itself. This was the legacy of Unit 731. It's a difficult story to hear, but it's a history we must never forget.